Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. It's great to see you all again.
Yes, imagine us waving at you right now.
If you're new here, this is the place where learning English is easy, fun, and real.
Exactly. And today's topic is something we all do every single day, from sunrise to bedtime.
Brushing teeth?
Well, hopefully, yes. But the topic is talking about your day in English.
Oh yes, my daily routine. Super useful for conversations, interviews, and even storytelling.
So grab your coffee, your notebook, and let's talk about how to describe your day like a native speaker. Let's start with the morning, the beginning of the day. So, Thomas, what time do you usually wake up?
The question of pain. Ha 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 ha. I try to wake up at 6:30 a.m., but sometimes my alarm and I have arguments.
I'm sure many people can relate.
Yeah, my alarm says, "Wake up, Thomas," and I say, 5 more minutes. And then it's suddenly 7:15.
Classic. Okay, so when you finally wake up, what do you do first?
I stretch like an old cat. Then I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and wash my face.
Perfect verbs. Wake up, stretch, brush, wash. Everyone, repeat after us.
Wake up,
Brush teeth.
wash face.
Great. After that, what's next, Thomas?
Coffee time, my favorite part of the day. I make a strong black coffee, open the window, and just breathe.
That sounds nice. Morning peace is beautiful.
True. And you, Sarah? What's your morning like?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m. I drink a glass of water first, then I do a little stretching or yoga.
Wow, so healthy. Meanwhile, I just stretch my arms to reach my phone. Ha 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 ha.
Small steps count too. Then I make tea and have breakfast, usually toast, fruit, or oatmeal.
Do you watch anything while eating breakfast?
Sometimes, yes. I watch English news or listen to podcasts. It's a good way to practice listening skills.
That's a great English learning tip.
Absolutely. So everyone watching, try this. While eating breakfast, listen to short English clips or podcasts. Even 10 minutes helps.
Totally. And here's a fun fact. Do you know that in English, I wake up means to stop sleeping, but I get up means to leave your bed?
Yes. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m., but I get up at 6:15.
Ha 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 ha. Story of my life.
So after breakfast, it's time to get ready for work or school.
Right. I take a shower, choose my clothes, and try to look professional.
Try.
Yeah, sometimes I look like I'm ready for a photo shoot, and sometimes like I just survived one.
Oh, Thomas, but that's a good vocabulary moment. Get dressed means to put on clothes. I get dressed for work.
And wear is what you already have on. I wear a blue shirt to work.
Excellent. And how do you go to work?
I usually take the bus. It's a 25-minute ride. I listen to music or, guess what? English podcasts.
Good student. And what about you all watching? How do you go to work or school? Tell us in the comments below. Do you walk, drive, take a bus, or cycle?
We love reading your answers.
Okay, Thomas, it's 9 a.m. You're at work. What's your first task?
First, I check my emails. Then I write my to-do list for the day. I love lists. They make me feel organized, even if I ignore half of them later. Ha ha ha.
That's honest. And what do you usually do at work?
I work on my computer most of the time. Writing reports, replying to clients, or editing videos.
Good.
Lunchtime. My favorite time of the day.
Of course. What do you usually eat?
Depends on my mood. Sometimes a sandwich, sometimes rice with vegetables. But I always eat too much. Ha 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 ha.
Same. But lunchtime is also a great time to talk in English.
If you eat with friends or colleagues, practice small talk. Ask things like, "How's your day going?" Or, "Any plans for the weekend?"
Exactly. It's the perfect time to use casual English.
And if you're shy, start with short answers like, "Pretty good," or "Not bad."
Small steps build confidence. Let's coming home and relaxing.
Ah, yes, the moment you kick off your shoes and say, finally.
Yes. So, what do you do when you get home?
I change into comfortable clothes, make tea, and sit on the sofa. Sometimes I watch YouTube or play guitar.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I love cooking. Simple things like pasta or fried rice.
That's great. I cook too. I like to try new recipes, especially vegetarian dishes.
Everyone watching, cook dinner is a great phrase. Don't say make food all the time. Try cook dinner or prepare a meal.
Good point.
Now let's talk about dinner time and family talk.
Yes. Around 7 p.m., I have dinner with my family. We talk about our day, what went well and what was difficult.
That's lovely. I usually eat while watching a show. Not the healthiest habit, but relaxing.
Everyone does that sometimes.
True. And after dinner, dishes. The least favorite part.
Yes, but it's part of the routine. In English, we say wash the dishes, not clean the plates.
Exactly. Example. I wash the dishes after dinner.
Bedtime routine. Before bed, I like to take a warm shower and read a book.
I also read sometimes. Or scroll social media until my phone falls on my face.
I've done that too. But seriously, reading before bed is a healthy habit.
It relaxes the mind. And it helps improve English vocabulary naturally.
Exactly. Try reading for 10 minutes every night. Short stories, news, or even our subtitles.
And then, it's time to sleep. I usually go to bed around 10:30 p.m.
I go to bed at 11 p.m. I try to sleep for 7 to 8 hours.
Sleep is very important for your health and your English memory.
That's true. Our brains store new words while we sleep. So if you study before bed, you actually remember better.
Wow, science plus English. I like it.
So that was today's full conversation about how to talk about your day in English.
We hope you learned lots of new words and phrases, and had a few laughs too.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your English learning friends.
And remember, English learning works best when it's fun and real.
Exactly. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you next time.
Bye everyone.